Hello my friend, I hope you are well. Today I'm going to teach you 4 arpeggio for flamenco, pop or classical guitar. I'm Ahmad MousaviPour, guitar teacher. Okay, let's go to the start. P I M I A I M I P I M I A I M I P I M I. I try to write sheet music and tab that you can learn better. P I M I. 5th string, 3rd string, 2nd string, and against 3rd string, 1st string, 3rd string, 2nd string and 3rd string. P I M I A I M I. Faster. Next arpeggio. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5th string. A finger, 1st string, M 2nd string, and I finger, 3rd string. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Faster. You should be try hard, and you can use the metronome. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. You should be play so clean. Yes. No dirty. Wow. faster. P A M I A M I M P A M I A M I M طریق P A P A P A P P A M I A M I A M I 1 2 3 4 P A M I A M I A M I A P A M I A M I A M I A P A P fifth string, A finger first string, M second string, and I third string. A minor, B major, double note, first note double, P A. That's it. Faster.